Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok, lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Cancer, let us see ano ang energies for you this week. Ace of Wands. This is your energy. Some of you, parang meron kayong kaharaping challenge sa relationship or connections or kontrata, no? Ngayong week na ito. But your overall energy is about starting a new life, no? Merong new beginnings dito. This can be travel opportunities. Yung iba, first time yung makapag-travel abroad or nag-iisip kayo ngayon na pwede rin mag-relocate. And some of you, meron kayong creative endeavors, yung meron kayong gustong project na simulan using your talents, your skills, your abilities. What is the Ace of Wands? Judgment. Yes, this will require to make some changes sa yung pananaw mo sa buhay. So, kung dati parang iniisip mo na, gusto mong yumaman, oo, pero hindi ka naman ganun ka nagko-connect sa ibang tao. Parang nasa bahay ka lang, you're not socializing or you're not reaching out to people. So, ngayon, naisip mo na, teka, I've been doing this for like a year and walang nangyayari. So, you are going to make some changes. Yung parang different approach this time. So, maaring babaguhin mo yung diskarte mo sa buhay para makuha mo yung goal mo. Kasi yung iba, hindi na nag-work para sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, hanap ka ng paraan para makuha mo yung gusto mo sa ibang naman, sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng ibang bagay. If you get what I mean. 'Di ba? So example, meron kang gustong pitasing bunga sa puno, napakataas ng puno na 'yon. So nung una, sinubukan mo siya yung yung parang may stick na panghuli nung bunga, pero hindi siya nag-work. So, ngayon, ibang approach gagawin mo. Kuha ka ng hagdan o kaya akyatin mo yung puno on your own. Ganon. So, I think I see you using different approach, different process or system para makuha mo yung goal mo, ma-achieve mo. And with the Lovers as your challenge, may maaring maka-experience ka ng commitment issues. Pwedeng sa relationship, romantic connection. Pwede rin naman sa simpleng kaibigan na nag-commit sa'yo na may magkikita kayo or meron kayong gagawin na activities pero hindi pala niya paninindigan. Oo, you also have the Six of Wands. I also see this as yung iba kasi you are gaining popularity pero yung iba hindi nyo gusto yon. Yung tipong yung idea ng pagiging famous is nice, no, para sa inyo. Pero yung mga disadvantages nun, yun yung ayaw nyong ma-experience. So, your opportunities with the Star. The Star card is about healing. So, you have the opportunity to heal from your past and focus on your goals and your dreams. Ayan. You also have the Strength card. Yes. Ang lakas ng loob ninyo. Kayang-kaya nyong kaya nyong pagtagumpayan kung ano man tong challenges na pwede nyong kaharapin ngayong week na to. And for the blessing, you have the Queen of Coins. Queen of Coins is about financial stability. You have the Tower. Okay. As a blessing, I think, meron kang idea na maiisip ngayong week na to on how to create new income. Pwede rin tong magiging resourceful ka na gagamitin mo yung kung ano yung meron ka to create more money. Halimbawa, magdinegosyo ka kahit maliit lang para kumita, no? So you are using your resources. Be careful lang sa overspending, no? Kasi baka meron kang spending ngayong week na to na parang out of lang. Yung parang nabigla ka lang tapos gusto mong bilhin or pagkagastosan tapos nung nakuha mo na parang nagsisi ka. So be careful doon. So some of you sa relationship, pwedeng kayo ay mas magiging intimate or mas magiging malalim yung connection nyo with someone. Just be careful lang, lalo na kung mga bago pa lang tong connection relationship na to, na wag agad-agad ma-fall. Oo. Kasi baka itong person na to is hindi siya maging pasok sa iyong expectation. So, kailangan, relax lang, easy lang pagdating sa relationship. So, tingnan natin money, career, finances. You have a decision to reconsider. Ayun na nga. Pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo, sa pera mo, sa mga pakikisamahan mo or business partnership, be careful. And then, meron kang experimentation na gagawin, or pwedeng literal na mag-experiment ka towards parang idea mo, like a business, tapos i-experiment mo kung paano mo isa sa katuparan yun. And yung iba naman, meron kayong magagawang solusyon sa mga challenges ninyo pagdating sa pera. You are spiritually guided, no? So, in making decisions sa yung business or career, kailangan daw follow your gut, follow your instinct, kasi hindi ka pababayaan ng inyong mga spirit guides. Sa relationship, may naghahabol. Ito na naman yung expectations. And then, flirting. Okay. So, I think this is, sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na be careful sa connections ninyo ngayong week na to, especially kung bago pa lang, no? Parang know your boundaries, set boundaries, know your limitations. Reassessing, kailangan daw i-reassess ang situation, pag-isipan. You have the right to change your mind, yes. So kung sa tingin mo na yung una mong desisyon ay hindi pala makakabuti sa'yo, it's okay to change your decision. Reconsider, okay? So, maganda yan. Kasi at least, hindi ka pa dalos-dalos sa iyong pagdedesisyon. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.